Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Rocket Babies. I am Dr. Nupur Ghosh. So parents, today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. I'm going to discuss 10 important fiber-rich food items for your babies. Before skipping to that, we should first understand that why fibers are exactly important for your babies. So now learn this. See, fibers, they improve the digestion of the babies. They also enhance the immunity of the babies. And plus, these fibers, thirdly and most importantly, they increase the absorption of various nutrients. And what are those nutrients? The minerals and the vitamins. So basically, these are the three most important functions of the fiber. Now, next is how much fiber is the requirement for a baby. So up to from about 1 month to 18 months, the approximate requirement of fiber is 14 to 31 grams. Now see, now from newborn to up to 6 months, the baby is on mother's milk feed or formula feed. So that is the time you don't have to worry anything. The breastfeed or the formula feed, that will cater the need for the fibers. But after that, that is after 6 months, it's you who has to take care about the amount of fibers your baby is taking. See, actually, we cannot measure exactly that, okay, my baby is taking 14 grams or 15 grams or like that. But actually, we can give some high fiber foods to our babies on the daily basis so that whatever amount is going, that will suffice the need. So now, without any delay, let's just skip to the 10 most important food items which you should include daily in your baby's diet to help your babies attain the fiber requirement. So let's begin with. So the first item is an apple. See, a medium apple carries about almost 4.4 grams of fiber. And when we say an apple a day keeps doctor away, that is actually true. And eating an apple a day is very important for the kids as well. So basically, like Jashvi and Inaya used to like apple. And when we were in Gurgaon, what we used to do, we used to carry one cut apple in the tiffin box whenever these girls used to go into the park and feed them as evening snacks. Or if we used to go in the mid-morning, so as a mid-morning snack. So whatever suits to your baby, accordingly you can do the same. You can also make other options. You can make you can make apple pie, or you can basically, if your child is in love with fruits, you can make a cut of various fruits. You can add apples like a fruit salad. So you are the best judge as a mom. So you have to include the apple in your baby's diet. Now the second fruit which I want to talk about is banana. Bananas are generally the first fruit for most of the babies, and banana is loved by one and all, the adults or say kids, because banana has got that sweet taste and which most of the kids love. So the one medium banana would have approximately 3.1 grams of fiber in it. You can give banana in various forms. You can give just like that, or you can just so many options are there. Sometimes you can just put a bit of a peanut butter on top of that, and the children just cut banana into slices and put a bit of peanut butter, or you can make a banana shake. So there are so many options with banana. You can try any of those. The next is oatmeal. Now 1 cup of oatmeal will carry approximately 4 grams of fiber. Again, you can give oats in various forms. Like when Jashvi was about 7 or 8 months, she used to love this oats pancake. We have already shared a recipe I think 2 years ago. So that's a very healthy option. You can just grind the oats and you can mix any sort of vegetable. I used to mix even broccoli because Jashvi used to really like broccoli. So any of the vegetables can be mixed, and a bit of a curd, and that makes a yummy pancake. Even you can have that. Again, you can also try oats in smoothie with curd. That's a very healthy option. A bit of peanut butter, curd and oats. So various recipes can be tried with oats, and try to include oats in your baby's diet. As you can see, it has got so much of fiber plus so many nutrients. So oats is a very healthy option for your babies. The fourth one being the corn. Now see, corn, I would advise if your baby is like more than 1.5 years of age, just give it then, because corn, sometimes they have a choking hazard. So don't give it too early. Now, when your baby is more than 1.5 years of age, you can give corn in various forms. You can even boil the corn and just add a pinch of salt and a bit of a pepper or chaat masala. Jashvi used to love it this way. Corn was one thing which she used to carry in her lunch box. Like, she started her schooling around 2 years 3 months. That was the time she started nursery. She was very small, but she really enjoyed taking this corn in her tiffin box. So with the corn you can try various things. And the second most important thing which you can give is popcorn. That's child favorite. Just try it in various forms. I've got this popcorn tubs which when I put those popcorns in that, she feels that she's in a movie hall or something, and it's a picnic sort of something. So just try those little bit things, and these little things really work. Next is whole wheat bread. Now, one slice of bread will have 2 to 3 grams of fiber. So if any of the times you are giving, like in breakfast, most of the children, sometimes they have some sandwiches, or if you eat eggs, you can also give eggs. So, what you can do is just in a slice of bread, sometimes you can make a sandwich with mayonnaise and cucumber, tomatoes. You can give some sandwiches like this, or even you can give a peanut butter sandwich, or if you are an egg eater, you can give an omelette with that. So you can include bread, whole wheat bread, but just remember that whole wheat bread in your baby's diet. The sixth one being the carrots. See, carrots, they are so good for your baby's eyesight. Plus, one baby carrot has approximately 2.9 grams of fiber. Again, carrots can be given in various forms. You can use it as a salad if your child likes it that, or you can prepare gajar ka halwa. That's most of the children, they love it. And one combination which I don't think you would have tried, but Jashvi was in love with that, and that was gajar ka paratha. I know, sounds very like I don't know what, but she used to really like this. I used to just grate some carrots and put it in halwa as a aloo stuffing, like aloo ka paratha, and she used to really like it. And I used to even feel that since carrots are so healthy, it's okay, the way doesn't matter how they are eating it, just decide that whatever they feel is good, but the main agenda is that they should eat it. So that's the thing. This pear is an amazing fruit. Pear really helps in solving the problem of constipation. Like the kids who have got the problem of constipation, they can have pear every day, and it really helps. And pear, you should remember one thing, that try and eat pear with the skin. With the skin, the benefits are double. That you should remember. And again, it's a very juicy fruit. It's loaded with vitamin C. So the pear is a high fiber rich food. Next, let's talk about some dry fruits. And in the dry fruits, one dry fruit which carries a high amount of fiber are the almonds. Now, one serving of almonds will usually have 3.5 grams of fiber. When your baby is small, you can make dry fruit powder. We have discussed this many times about dry fruit powder, that you have to roast cashew and almonds and just let it cool down a bit, grind it in a mixer jar, and then 1 or 2 teaspoons every day are good to go. If your baby is a toddler, they can definitely eat almonds just like that. Almonds also help in boosting the immunity, and especially in the winters, like the season is now, it helps your baby to keep their body warm. So almonds has got a whole lot of benefits, and dry fruits is a must, that you make sure your baby is taking dry fruit on everyday basis. The second last being the berries. The 3 berries come here: strawberry, raspberry, and blueberries. So here in UAE, it's easily available. Even back in India, most of the cities you get these. Now these you can give in various forms. Sometimes, like children like Jashvi, they are a huge fan of these berries, so they eat just like that. But if not, you can give in these flavored yogurts. They come, strawberry yogurt or blueberry yogurt, or sometimes you can even prepare shakes, strawberry shakes or berry shake, and children, they actually love this. Last but not the least are the hare matar, the green peas. Now about these hare matar, you should take care that you don't give the frozen ones, but you give the fresh ones. So generally it comes in the winter season. So whenever the peas are on, just go with it. Try and put, you can have rice pulao. In that you put the peas or any type of vegetable, like in the hotels they usually say matar paneer, then aloo matar, gobi aloo matar. So all that matar thing is coming on. You can prepare it at home and give it to your baby. So matar or the green peas are very important source of fiber. So this is it. This is actually 10 important food items which I told you about the fibers. Basically, what I want to say here, that your baby should have a balanced diet of everything: carbohydrates, proteins, then various minerals and various vitamins. Proteins is very important. Again, I have made a video about proteins. So today I thought about fiber, because this is one thing which we generally ignore. We don't think much about it, that okay, we have like carbohydrate, proteins, and the child is getting these, so let's fit it. So it's not only about dal chawal or dal roti. These fibers are really important, so you have to take care as a mom. So that's it, parents. Please like our video if you liked it, and do subscribe to Docket Babies. Have a happy winters with your babies. Bye bye, take care.